there's a guy on our team who can literally make you deaf in 1 ear for a little bit, but just by blowing in it.
Oh no. Don't attempt.
Second down and a lot.
Go, Logan, run!
You hear my dad's team over there yelling and cheering.
Number 18.
Honestly, I don't think he'll be too mad about this.
For a gain of
These
2
guys
yards.
beat down Holden, right?
Huh?
They beat down Holden.
Yeah. Our team, I think, lost to them. But no, my dad, literally last time I was here,
Third down for the right.
had me record this team while they were playing at Knob, while he was doing like the scoreboard stuff, because his team didn't play that day. And so I had to record this team and every play that they tried to do, just so my dad could analyze and then make his team go around it. Except they can't really do anything about size.
Gain of about 9 yards by number 41, Michael Barrett.
No, he's just tall. He's just... It's basically like little kid football is. If you're taller than everyone, you're taller.
You're bigger, faster, and stronger.
He's just bigger and faster.
Our one kid's literally just faster.
Literally just need to be fast, and they'll put him in the back, like running back.
I wouldn't know.
They know when he's coming. They're gonna send him.
Oh, Jack's there.
The
Good
run's
kid.
coming, so told you. Short.
I literally got his ankle.
Run by
Who
number
tackled him?
41, Michael
Well, the
Barrett.
kid in front of him got trucked, but there was a kid holding onto his ankle.
Yeah, it was the kid that got trucked. That was holding onto his ankle.
No, the kid that got trucked was still in front of him. There's another kid on his ankle.
Oh, it's good by him. That's really good by him. Look. The score puts him in the lead. The score. Because I don't
Panthers
think they can kick
offense
field
takes
goals.
the ball on the 35-yard line.
Hey, coach, I'm the kicker now. I am 25. Just hand him a $50 bill saying I'm 12.
You aren't. And they're 11.
There he goes. There he goes.
First down, Panthers, number 11 for the run.
It's a holding. It's coming back.
What does that mean?
It's coming back. It's not going to count.
They counted it
Number
though.
10 for the touchdown. There's a flag
Gary
on the play.
stuck his hands up. Why would they take it back?
Face mask.
Who?
Nope, holding.
Why I say that?
Us. So it's coming back. It's not counting.
Well, I can't see.
Holding is called on the offense.
Heck. I'm kind of hungry. What?
Wow. Wow.
I only had 3 mozzarella sticks. Or I have to poop one of the two. Lately I've been confusing being hungry with having to poop, so I continue to eat more, and then it's just really I just need to poop.
There's a 1 and 14. First down.
Okay, what is it?
Good job, Logan. Good job, buddy.
Again, give.
Number 18, Logan McGinnis with the tackle. Number 11 with the gain for about 4 yards.
Your one teammate can do whatever that is. Can you?
Yeah.
Why not join him? Sounds like you're embarrassed.
Panthers number 10 with about a 9-yard gain.
So are we going there in one second?
We can, but we don't have to.
I mean, I was just asking. So if we do that, then
3rd down.
We can go up.
I don't know what to do after.
Just went to the opposite side of
About
the
number
biggest guy.
41, Michael Barrett.
They need to score now.
Panthers with 4th and 5.
He's a boy just like his dad. Now he's at the
So you got it.
Defense needs to come up big here. Alright, defense.
Held him short. Take possession ball, 1st down. 15-yarder.
No.
Alright, defense, come on.
Like us or them?
Our defense.
But I thought we were offense.
We're on defense. They didn't get the first down.
But I thought that
No.
was third.
That was 4th.
Well, I'm not paying attention.
God dang!
Did they get him?
Yeah, no, they got him. Timeouts. Timeouts gonna start being called.
Timeout. Panthers.